take my unfinished life and make it complete, just like the moonraker knows his dream.
जी हाँ, you guys were listening to Moonraker by Shirley Bassey and ये इनका तीसरा बॉन्ड मूवी के लिए परफॉर्मेंस थी एंड बॉन्ड मूवी के लिए उन्होंने गाना ओरिजिनल साउंड ट्रैक परफॉर्म किया था. दिस वाज हर थर्ड एंड लास्ट फॉर द बॉन्ड मूवीज एंड 007 के लिए इसके बाद उन्होंने गाना परफॉर्म नहीं किया. और इस गाने के हवाले से मैं बता दूं कि काफ़ी लास्ट मोमेंट पे शर्ली बैसी को ये हैंड ओवर किया गया था गाना. आफ्टर a few artists rejected the song and another artist could not manage to finish it in time as well. Incomplete छोड़ा गया. Last moment पे शर्ली बैसी को पकड़ाया गया. शर्ली बैसी claims to have not performed it to her personal best and जितना वो कर सकती थी उतना अच्छा उन्होंने परफॉर्म नहीं किया, तो वो अपने आप को ज़्यादा एसोसिएट नहीं करना पसंद करती थी इस गाने के साथ. लेकिन nonetheless she performed it quite beautifully if you ask me. and उसके बाद जब उनने परफॉर्म भी किया इन अदर लाइव परफॉर्मेंसेस जैसे कि आपने अभी रिसेंटली देखा विच वॉजंट क्वाइट नियर द एक्चुअल रिलीज, काफ़ी थोड़ी लेट परफॉर्मेंस थी उनकी, लेकिन उनने काफ़ी अच्छा ये परफॉर्म किया. मूनरेकर वाज द बॉन्ड मूवी. बॉन्ड मूवी की 11वीं सीरीज़ की 11वीं मूवी थी ये जिसमें रॉजर मूर थे. यस, दिस टाइम अराउंड रॉजर मूर वाज प्लेइंग द रोल ऑफ जेम्स बॉन्ड एंड that's that for the Bond movies. That's that for Shirley Bassey's contribution to the Bond movies. Now we come to another single by Shirley Bassey, and the name of the single is Never Never Never. So let's go ahead and listen to that single and let's see how amazing that single is. And I'm sure it is, and I'm sure you people are going to like it as well. So let's go ahead and listen to Shirley Bassey's Never Never Never.
I'd like to run away from you, but if you never found me, I would die. I'd like to break the chains you put around me, but I know I never will. You stay away and all I do is wonder why the hell I wait for you. But when did common sense prevail? For lovers when we know it never will. Impossible to live with you, but I know I can never live without you. For whatever you do, I never, never, never want to be in love with anyone but you. Never treat me like you should, so what's the good of loving as I do? Although you always laugh at love, nothing else would be good enough for you. Impossible to live with you, but I know I could never live without you. For whatever you do, never, never, never want to be in love with anyone but you. You make me laugh, you make me cry, you make me live, you make me die for you. You make me sing, you make me sad, you make me glad, you make me mad for you. I love you, hate you, love you, hate you.
जी हाँ, you guys were listening to Never 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 by Shirley Bassey. Yes, a 1972 performance, a 1972 release, but इतना मैं आपको बताता चलूँ that originally this was an Italian song by the name of Grande Grande Grande, and yes, it was performed by Minna, an Italian singer, an Italian vocalist, and उनके लिए number 1 hit single रहा मीना के लिए. And I don't know whether she likes to call herself Mina or Mina, but that's how it's written, M-I-N-A. And 1972 में ये Italian single release हुआ था. It was written by Alberto Testa and Tony Venice. And Shirley Bassey ने जब ये release किया in the UK, US and Australia, तो वहाँ भी उनको काफ़ी attention मिली, काफ़ी popularity मिली. And in fact, it reached number 8 in the UK. And obviously being a derivation from an Italian single, and इसकी lyrics भी दोबारा लिखी गई थी. जो English version था, it was written by Norman Newell, and obviously it was changed a bit for the English version, and lyrics were rewritten, and Shirley Bassey made this song her own, and it was performed beautifully by her. And इस गाने को देखने के बाद, इस performance को देखने के बाद, उनकी strength in her vocals and the distinct way of performing would have been noticed by you people as well. So yeah, that was a single by Shirley Bassey, जिसका नाम Never 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 था. Now we go to the last song by Shirley Bassey, and in the last song, like we've been doing quite regularly in Meltdown Classics as well, और इस episode में भी हमने जो previous 2 artists को include किया था, उनमें भी हमने ये किया कि उनका जो आखिरी गाना है आपको कुछ recent performance में से दिखाएं. तो आखिरी गाना Diamonds Are Forever ही होएगा, and वो कुछ recent, काफ़ी recent performance में से extract किया गया है. It's a recent live performance by Shirley Bassey, but it's been done differently than what you just saw 2 songs ago. And ये गाना definitely worth a watch. This performance is worth a watch. Shirley Bassey at the age of 72 is definitely, she still has it, she still got it, and उन्होंने बहुत अच्छी तरीके से गाना perform किया. आप लोगों को उनकी recent झलक भी मिल जाएगी, and let's see what she looks like in recent times and how she's performed. So go ahead and listen to Diamonds Are Forever by Shirley Bassey, but a bit recent from comparing it to the other performances.
Diamonds are forever. They are all I need to please me. They can stimulate and tease me. They won't leave in the night. I've no fear that they might desert me. Diamonds are forever. Hold one up and then caress it. Touch it, stroke it and embrace it. I can see every part, nothing hides in the heart to hurt me. I don't need love, for what good will love be? Diamonds never lie to me, for when love's gone, they left us. Are forever, sparkling round my little finger, unlike many diamonds linger. Men are mere mortals who are not worth going to your grave for.
Gee, welcome back from that song. You guys were listening to Diamonds Are Forever by Shirley Bassey. Yes, you were listening to it again, but it was from recent times. It was something different. जो मैं हमेशा promise करता ही हूँ आप लोगों को that I will present you with something different, something or the other, every time in Meltdown Classics. So tonight wasn't any different, and it was different in that way, but not different in this way. And we included 3 artists in Meltdown Classics tonight, 2 American artists and 1 Welsh artist. And we had Aretha Franklin, Roberta Flack, and Shirley Bassey. And उम्मीद है आप लोगों को ये तीनों आर्टिस्ट पसंद आए होंगी. We had a bit of soul, bit of R&B, and a bit of jazz as well. So there was quite the variety in Meltdown Classics tonight, and hopefully आपने through and through आज के episode enjoy किया होगा. So officially, Diamonds Are Forever was the last song of Meltdown Classics. But before I end the show, there's a formality I need to go through, which is letting you people know about our feedback forums. Yes, you can write to us on Facebook, on Meltdown Classics के नाम से हमारा Facebook पे पेज है. उसको join करें, उसे like करें, leave your comments over there, leave your queries, questions and demands and requests, which are going to be fulfilled inshallah. And वो मैं I will see to it personally कि वो fulfill किए जाएं आपकी demands. And कोई ऐसा artist है जो आप चाहते हैं कि Meltdown Classics में रखा जाए और डाला जाए, तो yes, मेरा promise है कि वो बिल्कुल होएगा. And उसके अलावा we have our email address as well. You can write an email to us as well. वहाँ भी आप अपना feedback दे सकते हैं. And don't forget to go to our website, जो K2 की website है, k2.tv के नाम से. And you can do live streaming over there. You can catch the repeat if you have missed it. And every Sunday we come at 9:30, and it is repeated on Monday at 3:30. So yes, you have you have a second chance to catch the whole episode again if you have missed it for some reason. So that was it for tonight, and I shared 3 amazing artists with you people. 5 songs each, 5 गाने हर आर्टिस्ट के शेयर किए, लेकिन आखिर में मैं आपको हाई एंड ड्राई जाने नहीं दूंगा. I will end the show, I will conclude the show with another song by Aretha Franklin, which just turned out to be a very new favorite for me. I personally like the song, and इसके अंदर Aretha Franklin as a pianist and as a bit of a rock and roll singer भी थोड़ी सी नज़र आती हैं, and it's quite an upbeat song. I personally like it, and Won't Be Too Long is the name of the song, and let me check if it is actually the name, but yeah, Won't Be Long is the name of the song. Aretha Franklin का ये गाना है. It's a 1964 performance. It's black and white, but it has a lot of color in its vocals and the music itself. So yeah, personally liked it, so I thought I'd share it with you people जाते जाते. So yeah, enjoy the song. मेरी तरफ से अल्लाह हाफिज. आप लोग अपना बहुत सारा ख्याल रखिएगा, and until next week we will come with another brilliant artist in Meltdown Classics, and yes, we will not disappoint, and तब तक मेरा इंतज़ार कीजिएगा, and hopefully next week is going to be even better. So remember to write back to me as well. Remember to let me know about your opinion regarding this episode.